What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, let's jump right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. We got a classic for y'all. The streets was outside for these, man. Everybody was outside, lines on lines, every location I went to. But I was able to secure my pair and a pair for a couple of my people, man. So good day for me overall, man. A lot of people went crazy over them. But we here now, man. Let's shake these joints out. Let's see if y'all rocking with the 2025 version of these, man. Now, starting with the box, man, of course it has a Nike box. And I think this was the last Jordan or like original shoe that came in a Nike box. And I think there was a Jordan boxes after that, like from the 13 and up. But Nike signed up top with the cardboard color. Got the orange going all the way around the box, man. Nike here. Black on the bottom. And the tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, black, varsity red. 11.5, man. Was able to score my personal size in these joints. Not sure if I'm going to keep them just yet, because I do have a pretty solid 2016 pair. But let's check these joints out, man. Let's see if y'all rocking with them. Now, as far as packaging, man, regular tan on the inside label. Got tan paper here and a layer of white paper as well. Let's check these joints out, man, to see if y'all rocking with them, man. Let's get into it. Now, here we have the OG Air Jordan 12 Retro, Flu Game, black and red, bread 12s, whatever you want to call it, man. I call them Flu Games. Probably the most iconic shoe that Jordan has, like as far as like moments. You got the black and red bread 4s when he hit the shot. You got the Jordan 3s when he won a dunk contest. You got the bread 1 from the band era, even though it's an airship. And then when he used those joints in the dunk contest, he got a couple of different shoes, man. Playout 14s, last shot 14s, man. It's a couple of different shoes that have a moment, but this Flu Game is probably one of the most iconic moments that we have as far as a Jordan sneaker. But let's check these joints out. Let's see if y'all rocking with them. We in 2025, man, and people are outside for them. Let's see the review, and let me know if y'all grab these joints, man. Let's get into it. Now, starting with the front of that shoe, man, of course it comes laced in the all black leather. I'm going across that toe box, man. True Jordan 12 fashion. Some good, pretty decent leather on this joint, too. I'm getting across that side panel, all red, going across that mud guard. All red across the front of the midsole as well. Of course, it has the plastic Jumpman tag there that they always have on the Jordan 12. It does have the black hit on the midsole going across the back of the shoe. And I can honestly say, man, this is probably one of my like favorite Jordan models to wear as far as you know, being comfortable. I think this is like the first Jordan, either this or is it the 11? I think this is the first Jordan with like a full air unit across the entire shoe. So from the front to the back is a whole air unit, and you can feel like the bounce and the cushion when you wear Jordan 12. It's probably like my favorite aspect of the shoe. Now, getting to the back of the shoe, man, of course it has the red hit from where the outsole kind of flows up into that midsole. The black 23 has a Jordan tag, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Of course, LeBron is the greatest player ever, but I'll let Jordan have it because the shoe game is, you know, can't argue with that. I got a lot of Jordans in my collection. I got quite a few LeBrons too, but Jordan's definitely outweigh it, man. So I got to give Jordan the shoes, but LeBron the best player, man. I ain't trying to hear all the other stuff. And then, of course, man, it does have the full pull tab up top. It has the red square with the black Jumpman on the inside. All black tab, stitched in, woven tab. And then it has the red going across the border of the tab as well, man. So pretty solid hit there, man. All black and red. Now, getting to the inside of the shoe, man, of course, it has the all black leather going all the way around. Same hit here with the red mud guard, all red going across the midsole, black going across the back of the midsole. Just your standard Jordan 12 overall, man, but one of the most iconic colorways. And you definitely can see like the stitching going up, and you can see how the panel was put together. And this joint is designed like after like the rising sun, like a sun ray, man. So when you see these stitchings, that comes from like the Japan Rising Sun. And if you remember, they did release a Rising Sun 12 back in the day with the flawed insole. So, you know, they kind of pulled the release, but some people were still able to get pairs of those. But that's why the Rising Sun color was made, because of the design of the Jordan 12 overall. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, of course, factory black laces installed, man. 2-3 embroidered on the tongue, TWO, and the number 3 hit here. 2-3 for Michael Jordan's number 23, of course. Then it has the red Jumpman embroidered in. All black going across the inside sock liner. All black insole with a red Jumpman. I'll place a picture here because the camera's not picking it up. But all black inside, all black sock liner, black insole, red Jumpman. Classic flu games, man. Good, decent leather. A Jordan 12 is a shoe that'll last, especially in this colorway with the red bottom. I know you tend to get flaws when you see like playoffs, which is still a really good pair, but their white outsole tends to kind of yellow at times. But black and red, you'll be able to wear these joints forever, man. But leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Let's get into this right shoe really quick, man. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Of course, all black leather going across the toe box. Has the red mud guard going around the side, man. I like a snake skin-ish kind of pattern and feel to it. Has the red going all the way across the front part of the midsole and outsole. All black going across the outsole here. 23 on the back with the red hit from the outsole kind of going up into that midsole. Has the Jordan tab there. Red square, black Jumpman. All leather going across the inside, of course. Same red mud guard. Kind of split on the midsole on these joints. Red in the front, black smaller hit in the back, man. Classic Jordan 12. Black laces, 2-3 embroidered on the tongue. Red Jumpman. And of course the outsole on these joints, man, they do have the 2 black grip pods. They have the carbon fiber plate here for, you know, like your arch support. And then it has like the all red, semi-translucent going across the outsole. Then they have the Jumpman going across the toe, of course. And then they have the 23 hit as well, man. Classic Jordan 12, man. You know what you're getting when you get in the Jordan 12. You know what you're getting in the flu game. All black leather, black and red. Just a really, really solid shoe. Really solid shoe, man. And I know a lot of people are outside trying to grab these joints, man. One of the most, you know, famous and most popular, not only models, but like I said, iconic colorways and storylines, man. So the people are outside for these, and fittingly so, man. It's a black and red shoe. It is right around tax time. People were outside. This is a shoe that has sold out and will sell out anytime there is a restock, man. This one is one that's gonna go every single time, man. Now, I was able to grab these joints for retail, man. Retail was 210 bucks. I was able to grab these joints from Shoe Palace at my local mall. And then I went over to Premium Goods and tried to get a pair as well. Like I said, man, 210 bucks. That's 225, 230 out the door here in Texas. And most of your tax states will be around the 230 to 225 to 230 range, man. These are 228 here in Texas. And like I said, these will sell out. Everywhere I went, there was a long line. The streets are outside looking for these. People had their full families with them. Like I said, one of the most popular shoes, and the release matched that energy, man. Everybody was outside looking for this shoe. Very iconic. Anybody that's semi-interested in sneakers or semi-interested in Jordans probably went after these joints. And they sold out quick, man. They sold out quick. They sold out quick on sneakers. The lines are long. Pretty sure every pair sold out in store here in Houston. Now you may get some like restocks throughout next week. I know I've seen a couple of stores with their grade school pairs were delayed. And like I said, you may get some restocks next week. You may see some pairs floating around on Sunday from like leftover pairs and things like that. But overall, man, solid shoe. Definitely quick sellout, 210 bucks. On the first of the month at that, people are still outside buying these joints like rent was not due. People act like they got it. And I feel it, man. It's one of those shoes. Like, this one of those shoes is gonna bring the people out every time. And today was no different. Now, as far as resale, man, resale on these joints, it's like around that 300 to 330, 340 mark. And men's sizes 8 through 14. This is being filmed on release day. I grabbed these joints this morning, and right now it's like around 7:30. So currently resellers are like around 325 as far as like average, give or take, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, but the 325 range is where these joints are. Now, I don't think these joints will stay that high just yet. The demand is definitely there, but I believe that these pairs will probably settle around that 280 mark, if I'm not mistaken. Once all these pairs start shipping, I think 280 is a number that we'll be looking at. And I think it may bounce up in like a few weeks after, but just comparing it to that black metallic 5, man, those were 290 pre-release just like these. The sneaker sellout happened. It went up to like the 330, 340 range, just like these did, and they kind of settled down back around that 300 range. So I think that's the same thing that these will do. They'll settle back around 300. I'm not sure if these will bounce back like that black metallic 5, because that's like an easier wear. It's an all black shoe, white laces, black and white, back to school time, tax time. That's a very popular like color style, and that one will, like, you know, it'll be an easier wear. This one being black leather, this one will last longer, and it's a more popular model that I must say, more popular colorway for sure, being all black and red. So we'll see, you know, where that pattern kind of ends up. But I think these will do very similar to the black metallic 5s, but I think those will kind of increase higher with them being like black and white, man. But this one will be a good one too, for sure. But if you're looking to buy these joints and you're looking to buy them ASAP, I would look around that $300 range. If you have some patience, you can wait like a week or two once all the online pairs ship in. You may get them for like $270 to $280, but good shoe overall. You'll definitely be able to grab these joints for nothing too crazy. Being $210 retail, $230 with tax, $300 is like the average range that you'll get these shoes in as far as resale market and your different platforms, not including fees, of course. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, it's a standard Air Jordan 12, and it's not a shoe that you see a lot of quality issues on, man. The all black part is one piece. The red hit here is one piece, and they stitched this other red part on. So it's not a whole lot of panels where you can see a lot of stitching flaws. No crazy glue stains or anything like that. So you're getting a decent quality shoe. The leather isn't OMG, just like way amazing, but pretty decent leather, definitely will last. Jordan 12 do tend to like hit like a crease here and like right here around the toes and right around this front couple of lace holes that will kind of get a crease there. But overall, this shoe will last, and it's a good shoe, man. It's a black and red Jordan 12, can't really go wrong. Good quality, no issues. So definitely feel confident when you're paying that $250 to $300 tag that you'll be able to get some good wears out of these with no issues. Now, before we close it out, man, of course, I want just to give you guys a comparison of the 2016 pair that I have. That's the only reason I may not keep this pair. I have a 2016 pair, but it is a size 11, and my foot kind of grew over the years. I'm a true 11 and a half now, but I buy 12 in certain models just to be a little more comfortable. This one is an 11, and I don't wear this one just like a whole lot. So I kind of don't see me doubling up on these, but I did grab it for now, and we'll see kind of how that goes. But as far as like any changes in the shoe, everything is pretty much the exact same. This is the older pair, the worn pair, of course. All of the colors match up. This one kind of has like a bigger spacing on that Jumpman tag, but like other than that, like going from, you know, from here to here is like a smaller space on the older pair. But that's pretty much like the only major difference I see. The red hits on the toe are like the exact same as well. This one may be a little more brighter, but I can't really tell because this one is like very worn. So I can't really tell if it's because it's worn or if it's like a little brighter, but the reds may be just a little brighter, if anything. Y'all can be the judge of that. This is the new pair up top, the older pair on the bottom. But overall, the colors match up. Nothing too, you know, different about these joints. Besides the red hits, the leather quality is just the same. All of the stitching is the same. Nothing crazy on these. Both insoles are all black with the Jumpman. Same thing on the pull tab. All the colors, everything match up. This is the exact same shoe. This one on the right, which is the new one, may have like more defined hits here on the like snakeskin part, maybe. That's like the only thing I can kind of nitpick and pull out. Not even saying it's a problem, so I don't want to use the word nitpick. But if I'm looking for differences, it's probably like the only difference you'll be able to find in this shoe would be the red hits, the snakeskin pattern on the red hits, man. But I just want to give you guys a good chance to check these joints out, man. The newer pair up top, older pair on bottom, man. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you would rather have. Is 2016 or 2025. No major differences, man. So if your pair is like crazy beat up, if you don't have them or something like that, no brainer, grab this shoe. But with me not wearing these joints a lot, I don't think I will keep the double up. But you know, we'll see, man. We'll see. I have it, and I may trade it for like an extra pair of black metallic 5s. That's my favorite pair of Jordan 5s. My second favorite pair of Jordans overall, man. So you know, we'll see. But other than that, man, no major differences, man. You got the difference in the height of the Jumpman on the back of the tab, but everything else is pretty much the same on these joints. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this Air Jordan 12 2025 flu game, man. These joints did release early at All-Star Weekend. I wasn't able to grab a pair there. Just kind of wasn't on my priority list. I knew I would be able to get them during release. Pairs were like $350 then. They're like around $300 now, so they're definitely like holding value. The demand is definitely there. But y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got them. If so, where did you get them from? And if you didn't, let me know what price range you're looking to spend, man. I think this is a good pair to have overall. This is like a collector's shoe. This is like one of those OGs that it's kind of a must-have like anytime it releases. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep mine just yet, but I had to grab. I didn't want to have that, you know, that missing out feeling. So I went ahead and grabbed them now, and I can always make a decision later. But y'all leave me a comment down below, man. Just let me know if this is a cop or a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Where you get them from? How'd you get them? How much you paying for them? Just leave me your feedback. Leave me your opinion down below. And let's talk about it, man. Jordan 12 flu game, man. Super classic, man. Leave me your opinion down below. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Air Jordan 12 flu games, man. 2025 release. They're back. The streets are talking. The streets are outside getting these joints. One of the hottest OG retros of the year, man. We'll see if these can hold one of the top spots. I know that Black Metallic Reimagine will be up there. I know the White Cement 4 will be up there. We got the band one that's up there. So we'll see how these stack up towards the end of the year. But if we're talking today, we're talking release day. The streets are outside for these, man. These were needed. These were wanted. And these were caught, man. These were sold out, man. But like I said, man, it's going to wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, Jordan 12 Flu Game 2025, man. Good luck grabbing them if you didn't. Peace.